controlling the digital video files using language inside director. As you see in the last lesson, we have inserted our video file using the MPEG extra, and we have these video controllers that is provided by the designer Abdullah, and we want to apply for interactivity with that video so as to control the play, the pause and the stop, also to go rewind and to go to last. Simply we can go through the help so as we can follow the codes for that operations. So F1 to open the help, and we can write, for example, controlling digital video. And here is controlling digital video with Lingo. Here we can find almost the controls we need to control video inside director, and we can follow these codes. First one is to pause a digital video, for example. To pause a digital video sprite, set the sprite's movie rate property to 0. And here is explanation. Let's follow. For the movie rate, we can find a description for that property. Digital video sprite property controls the rate at which a digital video in a specified channel plays. The movie rate is a value specifying the playback of the digital video. A value of 1 specifies normal forward play. 0 specifies stop. So we can find like an example. The following statement, this one, to set the rate for a digital video in a sprite in a channel with a fixed number to normal playback, so as that can mean playing. And the other statement, if the value is 0, should display the pause. And let's try like this line. We can take a copy, back again to the director. In the pause button, right click and script. On mouse up me, make the movie rate equal 0. 0 will mean pause. And here's an important point, to insert the channel's number where is our video in. Let's check our timeline, our score. Here is the video file, as you see, and we can find it in 94 channel. So we can insert the value of 94 for a channel's number where the movie in. Let's try the stop button. When we play, in the previous file, I noticed the video is not working properly in the capture software. But for me, it's now playing normally. And when we press the pause, we can find the movie paused. I think simply with the same code, the same line, sprite 94 dot movie rate equal 0, we can take it, copy, and we can go to the play button to add the same line, but movie rate should be 1. And in this way, we can control to pause the movie and to play again. In the same way, we can follow the codes so as to apply 4 different controls. To play a digital video sprite in reverse, to start a paused digital video sprite, set the properties movie rate property to 1, and we have applied. To rewind a digital video sprite to the beginning, set the sprite's movie time property to 0. So what about the movie time property? Movie time property determines the current time of a digital video movie playing in the channel. The movie time value is measured in ticks. The example is sprite 9, for example, dot movie time equal, it can be equal 0 to go to first frame. Let's try this with the rewind button. Sprite dot movie time. We can apply for this one sprite 94 dot movie time equal, it can be a value. The value is 0. Let's try playing the movie. It's now playing. Stop and play again. And when we click the rewind button, it comes to the 0, meaning to the start point again. Using the same movie time property, we can go to apply for that one that should go to the last, for example. If we go to check the duration time of our movie, we can double click it in the cast member. And here is the duration time. 284,325. We can keep the first 280,000, for example, to test this code. When we apply for that one script, sprite 94 dot movie time equal, we can write down 280,000, for example, so as when we test our movie. As you see, the first one is rewind. It goes to frame 0, the time 0, and that one should go this time in the movie before last. If we want to go to that frame and stop, we can continue to add another line in the script. This line, I think, should be the movie rate. Copy. So this line is to go to that time in the movie, and the next one is to set the movie rate to 0, means stop. As I tell, go to that time and stop. Play. Now, when we click the last, it will go to the frame and stop. In the same way, we can apply for a code for that stop. I think simply the stop can go to frame 0, go to time, movie time 0, and to keep the movie range at 0 also. 0 means stop or not playing. So as we can take the codes again, these two lines, and to paste here with that button the script, the stop. The sprite dot movie time should go again to the start, which is 0, and the sprite's movie rate is also 0 to pause. Let's try now. This is the pause. It only stops to keep the rate at 0, and we can continue playing. And this is the rewind. Comes back to the start and start the movie. But the stop will only go to the start and pause, as you can see. For more interactivity with the movie, we can also add the function to click over the movie. For example, to make it pause, and if clicking again, to play again. And we can simply apply for that when we come to the score, and in a new channel we can add a blank rectangle. And we can simply apply for that when we come to the channel in a new channel and add this blank rectangle, and to go to the script window for that sprite that covers the complete area of the movie, to add this script, which is easy to understand. On mouse up, if sprite 94 dot movie rate equal 1, then make the same sprite dot movie rate equal 0, else make it at 1. And this can keep the functionality of, when pressing the video area anytime to pause it. Clicking again will play.